Hello, it's Super Bee Shirley and BBS Bees with my new package bees from Rogers Pure Honey in Baraboo, Wisconsin. They were pretty chill when I picked them up. That was the first photo. And then as the drive progressed, they got a little more active. You can see them flying around here in the cages. They're also getting a little bit of sun. Hello, it's Super Bee Shirley BBS Bees. Today is Sunday, April 23rd, 2023. I just arrived on the property with my package bees from Rogers Pure Honey in Baraboo, Wisconsin. So we had about a 2.5 hour trip north. I think I only had one bee in the cabin with me. I think both of my hives are dead. That's why I ordered the packages. I did a small clean out a couple weeks ago, and there's a video on my YouTube channel. I'll link that below. So the forecast says in about 45 minutes we will have 100% rain. So I'll be working as quickly as I can. Not sure how much video I'll be able to take. Let's show you what's inside. Here we go. So I think this hive is dead. We've got honey linkage, and that was there when I cleaned it out a couple weeks ago. So right now I'm just in cleaning hive mode. I'm pretty sure they're all dead. I'd be very surprised if they are clustered in here. But I want to put in some frames that have been in the house because they'll be warm. Won't be that frozenness. You know what? I might leave that there. Yeah, this end one was leaking honey. Let's see that. I had 12 frames in here for the winter. That was between 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is frame 10. You can see that they went up the side. You can see the capping down there. They didn't come up the full way there. It looks like they ate up the side of the frame that was closest to the entrance. They didn't come through the center or the side that was furthest from the entrance. This is frame 9. This one's better on this side. They used most of it, just a little bit left there. Frame 8 had brood on it. And bee bread. A little bit of honey over here in the upper corner closest to me. That one will pull. Oh, yeah, we'll pull now because I want them to have honey that's banded all the way at the top. Frame 7 had brood. Just a little bit of honey over in this corner. Frame 6. No brood. Looks like both sides they ate. On the side closest to the entrance, the side closest to me, they kind of left. Fast forwarding through scraping the dead bees, the wax protrusions, and extra propolis. This is frame 5. It looks like it has a lot of bee bread in it. Again, and it ate up on the side that's furthest from the entrance. So it kind of looks like I might need to have them weather or winter on frames of full honey. This frame appeared to be a full frame of honey. They started at the bottom and worked their way up. And a little bit above the halfway point, it looks like there was a bee die-off because you can kind of see a curve of the honey. So the rest of the cluster kept on moving up the frame. Just didn't have enough at the top to make it through the winter. Get it? Ton of bees down there. Oh, look, frame 4 looks like we have honey up here. Looks like they clustered on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mold down there. It was about 10 minutes of me removing dead bees from the bottom of the hive and adjusting frames. Almost ready to install those packages though. Okay, frame 4, pretty heavy with honey and nectar. This side they didn't winter on either. I might just flip this one around. Put the honey near the entrance. I'm gonna get that mold out of there though with something other than what I was using. Now I don't live where my hives are, so that's why I couldn't do this ahead of time. I was hoping they were still alive. Oh, frame 3 is heavy. Honey, bee bread, nectar, moisture. That one I'm going to leave in too. Frame 2. Alright, they definitely framed or wintered on like 5, 6, 7, 8. This one's full too. What is that? They wintered one over from the entrance hole. That's interesting. Yeah, this one's pretty full too. Frame 1. Hasn't even been touched. Now, this is what it looks like between the end of the box and frame 1. There's my entrance hole. Mold in the corner. And I'm giving them the ones from the house because those are warm. This was the only frame that had some bee poop stripes. I'm going to put one of these here. There's another one that's like that. I'm actually going to put one of these from the house in there. I think it was from the house. Can't tell. It has honey up here. It has honey at the top. You can nest in there. There is nectar. Some of them are empty. But then she'll have room to lay. She won't be quite so cold, hopefully. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I've got 13 in there right now. I'll probably take another one out. So I've got room right? Stick that around. There, so I'm gonna clean out the only one hive and then load them into the hives same time. I'm gonna shut this up. Oh, there is white mold. That's it for the dead oak clearing. I'll link below the bee package install. Buzz you later. Bye.